Importing Google Analytics filters is a straightforward process that can help you refine your data and gain more accurate insights into your website's performance. To start, you need to have a Google Analytics account and access to the admin section. First, navigate to the admin section by clicking on the gear icon in the bottom left corner of your Google Analytics dashboard. Then, select the account and property you want to apply the filter to. Next, click on Filters under the Property column. This will take you to the Filters page where you can view all existing filters and create new ones. To import a filter, click on the Import Filter button. You will be prompted to enter the filter ID of the filter you want to import. You can find filter IDs in the Google Analytics Solutions Gallery, or you can import filters from other Google Analytics properties. Enter the filter ID and click Import to import the filter. The filter will be added to your property and you can start using it to refine your data. It's essential to test your filters before applying them to your live data to ensure they are working as expected. You can do this by creating a test view and applying the filter to that view first. Best practices for importing Google Analytics filters include regularly reviewing your filters to ensure they are still relevant and accurate, and using descriptive names for your filters to make them easy to identify. Additionally, be cautious when importing filters from other properties or the Solutions Gallery, as they may not be compatible with your property's settings. Always test your filters thoroughly before applying them to your live data. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively import Google Analytics filters and refine your data to gain more accurate insights into your website's performance.